Thank you, Dayton and Garrick. Tonight, the seniors say their farewells to the school, the teachers, and the parents who have cared for and supported them for many years. It is the duty of the senior, who has achieved the highest grade point average in the class, to give the valediction, Latin for farewell address, from which the title valedictorian is derived. An outstanding leader in academics, this year's valedictorian, Jake Ryoichi Ebesugawa, has maintained the highest grade point average of 4.267. Jake is not only a leader in school, where he placed second and third place at the related technical math competition at Skills USA, he is also very musically talented. He placed first and second place at the Chris Fuchigami Ukulele Contest and first at last year's variety show. It is with great pleasure that I introduce Jake Ebesugawa, the class of 2015's valedictorian.
Good evening, Principal Koka, distinguished guests, community members, families, and friends. I am truly honored to be here. But before I begin, I would first like to thank everyone who supported us throughout our time here at Waiakea High. Without the loving guidance of our families, friends, teachers, coaches, and advisors, we definitely would not be the people we are now, nor would we be standing in front of you all here tonight. I would also like to thank the many wonderful citizens in our community who have created a nurturing and accepting environment that afforded us the opportunities to develop our interests and skills, whether they were academic, extracurricular, vocational, or in the fine arts. Without the encouragement of all our supporters, the bright future in front of each and every one of us would not be possible. Now, getting back on topic, I would like to pose a couple of questions. The first, what are memories? And the second is, why do we remember them? Now, the answer to the first is simple. Memories are the collection of our experiences and how we feel towards them. But the answer to the second is a little less simple. Scientifically speaking, how we remember an experience is based on a couple of things. The first is the activity of a specific part of the brain, the hippocampus, which is related to the memory. However, it is also related to how much attention one is paying and the kinds of emotions the memory evokes. Personally, I'm not exactly sure how or why certain moments in our lives become ingrained in our consciousness, but what I do know is this. It is not the monotonous day-to-day experiences that will be the most distinguished in our lives. Rather, is the fleeting and ephemeral moments that will. Because it certainly won't be the homework, or the tests, or the projects that we'll remember, but it'll be the time that we danced in the rain, and we stayed up late, and that we laughed until our ribs hurt, that we remember. Those will build the memory of a lifetime. Those will remember when we flip the storybook of our lives. Now, these past 4 years, we've been through a tempest. We've been through a whirlwind of our own personal highs and lows, a perpetual zephyr of our failures, triumphs, and changes that bonds us through our shared remembrance of our time here at Waiakea High. These memories are powerful. They change us. They mold us and they shape us. They tell us where we've been, and ultimately, they tell us where we're going. Now, each new memory and experience is like adding another sheet to a flip book. We grow a little smarter and a little wiser, and we place another sheet, a little different from the last, on top, that brings subtle changes that transform us over time into who we are. I know I can speak for the rest of my classmates when I say that the people we are now are very different from the people who we were when we stepped onto campus those 4 short years ago. We have all grown tremendously, achieving the highest merits and coming together unified and strong, not just as the class of 2015, but as a family. I also know that the people we are now will be very different from the people we'll be in 5, 10, and 20 years. Because as we go forth, striving towards our own goals and personal ambitions, we will gain new experiences and memories, and new pages in the stories of our lives. That being said, make this moment indelible in your mind, because without the person you are now, and all the people that you used to be, you will never be the person you're meant to be. Even as you reach your highest aspirations, never forget this moment, because without the patience and support of your loved ones and community, you'll never be the person you are now, nor the person destined for greatness. As a new chapter of our lives begin, let us embrace the relationships we've made, cherish the comfort and advice of our families and friends, and always remember this moment and our time as the Waiakea High Class of 2015 Tigers. Thank you.